to my kitchen. As you may or may not know, I am a vegetarian. Well, to be more precise, a pescatarian. So today is a cook with me. So as the title says, you're cooking with me. I am currently facing a shortage of tofu. You see, last week when we went to the grocery store with my mom, well, there wasn't any tofu left. Because apparently in a crisis, people go for tofu first. So yeah, we were finally able this week to buy the tofu. So that's what I'm doing now. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Anyway, this is the tofu I'm going to be using. It's extra firm. It's the best one to make any sort of recipe with tofu in my opinion, because the one that's not firm, it just doesn't do anything for me. So that's what we're using today. I'm going to start by washing my hands because that is the most important thing to do right now. Not just because of the COVID, but just because it's dirty if you don't. So by the way, I'm not a professional chef, in case you couldn't tell by my Levi's t-shirt. I'm just a pescatarian. So yeah. So you're going to want to cut out the package and be careful to do it over a sink because wow, it is juicy in there. So in case I didn't mention it, the tofu we're making is tofu gelatao. So it's very nice, it's very good. I've had it a lot in Asian restaurants, so I thought I would recreate the recipe, or at least attempt to recreate the recipe today. So we are going now to cut it up into pieces. Okay, so now we are going to, it's weird, but we're supposed to dry it up, and we use not toilet paper, we use paper towels for that. So, and the point, like, you don't want to do it too much either, like be too aggressive with it, since the tofu is going to kind of fall apart. So you kind of want to be gentle with it, you know? Okay, so now we are going to start making the sauce. Welcome back. I'm just going to mix up the ingredients to make the sauce. So we have broth right here. You can use either vegetable or chicken. Doesn't really make a difference. We have rice vinegar. And I bought the other day to make sushi. We have soy sauce, pretty self-explanatory. I have the low sodium one because sodium is bad and causes water retention. We have sriracha here, and we also have good old regular ketchup. Cornstarch, yes, that's the name, cornstarch. So hi, we are back much closer so you can actually see what I'm doing. It's really not much of a tutorial because it's only my third time making it. Okay, so we're gonna melt brown sugar as well. Completely forgot that we actually use that. So we said a quarter cup. Then 1 teaspoon of sriracha, but we can go a little harder since woohoo! So that's 1 teaspoon of sriracha. So now I'm just mixing everything together. Mix it all together and you know you're vegetable pro. And I've always wanted to like nail that laugh, and I remember in high school with some of my friends we like actually tried to recreate that laugh in like PE class. It was horrible. But I don't know, she just had, I don't know how auto-tuned that laugh was because I've just never been able to repeat like ha 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 ha. It's all mixed up. So now we are moving on to like the tofu. I'm just thinking about I think 3. Yeah, 3 is enough. And I'll put back in the fridge, just clean them. One thing about the quarantine is that I really miss my friends. I know like it's really selfish to be like, oh my god, I really miss my friends. But I do really miss my friends. Like, I also really miss going to school. Like, granted I'm a nerd, but still, like, I miss taking the bus to school. I miss, like, I even almost miss the metro. As crazy as it may be, but it just, being able, like, having an excuse to go out every day, just, I don't know, it was just a nice distraction because you always saw different things, different people. You would always see at least one crazy person on the bus or in the metro. Nice stories to tell, and now I just never have any anecdotes because I can only say like, oh yeah, my younger brother sneezed today. Like that's the best anecdote I have right now, and so yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to put some cornstarch. There's no really planning here. I kind of just, yeah. Because that's what's going to make your tofu super crunchy. So we're just going to massage it inside. And yeah, if your hands look like this, then it's a good thing. Okay, so we're back. So now we're going to stir fry the tofu. Because the entirety of the stove has to be oily, if I may say. So this is just vegetable oil. You can use canola oil too, that's what's recommended, but I use vegetable oil because that's what my mom buys. And we're going to need a whole other plate for that because we're only going to be able to cook half of it, so the other half is going to have to wait somewhere. Okay, it's hot enough, so we're just gonna do this. So now I'm putting in the sauce. So this baby right here is the final product. Now I'm just going to actually taste the tofu. So it's really hot, so it's pretty good. It's a little softer than I would have liked. Maybe it's because it's hot still. But it's really good, really sweet taste. It's excellent. It's a really good recipe to make, very easy. I'll link it in the description down below. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this segment of cooking with me. But otherwise, that's it for me for today's video anyway. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
I like to